Hello students, today I will explain chapter 8, which is adjectives from your second term syllabus. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Like, the pond is full of pretty lilies. Arushi bought 6 mangoes from the market. When it comes to function, adjectives are information gatherers. Specially, they provide further information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. For example, it's a big table. Now, here, big is an adjective. It's a round table. Now, here, round is an adjective according to the shape. It's an old table. Now, here, old is an adjective according to age. It's a brown table. Now, brown is an adjective according to color. It's an English table. Now, English here is an adjective according to origin. It's a wooden table. Now, wooden is an adjective according to material. Adjectives answer the questions what kind or how many. Like, what kind of lilies filled the pond? Pretty ones. How many mangoes did Arushi buy? 6. Adjectives serve another important role. They answer questions like which one, how many, and what kind. For examples, here, what kind of lilies filled the pond? Now the answer will be pretty ones. How many mangoes did Arushi buy? She bought 6 mangoes. For more examples like, which cat did you see? It was the grey cat. What kind of potatoes did you buy? I bought red potatoes. How many cars were in the parking lot? There were few cars. How many people like ice cream? Most people like ice cream. Which spoon did you use to stir the soup? I used the wooden spoon. What kind of coffee do you like? I like black coffee. Now, adjectives can also be used to compare the qualities of two or more nouns. For example, Arnav is tall. The word tall describes Arnav only. Here, Arnav is not being compared to anybody else. This is called positive degree of the adjective. If we are talking about only one person, like Arnav is tall, here we are talking about only Arnav and he is tall. Now, if we see, Harjot is taller than Arnav. Sanat is tallest of the three. The word taller compares Harjot and Arnav. This is the comparative degree of the adjective. The comparative degree of the adjective is used with the word than. We make the comparative degree of most adjectives by adding er to them, like neat, neater, cheap, cheaper, full, fuller. The word tallest compares Sanat to all the others. This is the superlative degree of the adjective. The superlative degree always compares more than two persons or objects. It is used with the word the. Comparative adjectives compare one person or thing with another and enable us to say whether a person or thing has more or less of a particular quality. For example, Josh is taller than his sister. Big cars that use a lot of petrol are less popular now than 20 years ago. On the other hand, in superlative adjectives, it describes one person or thing as having more of a quality than all other people or things in a group. For example, the Silver Arrow will be the fastest train in the world when it is built. What is the least expensive way of traveling in Japan? Now, compare the two of the degrees. A comparative compares a person or thing with another person or thing. A superlative compares a person or thing with the whole group of which that person or thing is a member. For example, Joe's older than Mike. Now here comparing one person with another. Sheila is the youngest girl in the family. Now here comparing one person with the whole group she belongs to. We make the superlative degree of most adjectives by adding est to them, like neat, neatest, cheap, cheapest, full, fullest. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.